Ever stared at a recipe, a beautiful, golden brown creation, and wondered, how did they get it so perfectly even? How did it fit so snugly in that picture-perfect square? Or maybe you've struggled with baking, ending up with uneven cooking, burnt edges, or desserts that just don't look as good as they taste. If you've ever grappled with these kitchen conundrums, you might be overlooking a silent hero of the baking world. The humble 8x8 pan. Think about it. We're surrounded by baking pans of all shapes and sizes. Rectangles, circles, springforms, loaf pans. The sheer variety can be overwhelming. But nestled amongst them, the 8x8 pan stands out. A perfect little square. A culinary canvas waiting to be filled. But what exactly is it for? Is it just a smaller version of a 9x13? Is it only for brownies? Or is there a secret world of baking possibilities waiting to be unlocked? Before we dive into the delicious details, let's take a moment to appreciate the importance of pan size in baking. It's not just about fitting the batter, it's about heat distribution, cooking time, and ultimately the texture and outcome of your baked goods. Imagine pouring a brownie recipe designed for an 8x8 pan into a 9x13. The batter would spread thin, cook too quickly, and you'd likely end up with a dry, overcooked mess. Conversely, trying to squeeze a 9x13 recipe into an 8x8 would lead to overflow, undercooked centers, and a kitchen disaster. The 8x8 pan, with its precise dimensions, offers a unique balance. It's compact enough for smaller households, yet spacious enough to create substantial treats. It strikes a sweet spot, literally, between individual servings and large family desserts. It's a workhorse, a versatile tool that deserves a place in every kitchen. Now, let's get down to the brass tacks. What can you actually do with an 8x8 pan? First and foremost, let's address the elephant in the room. Brownies. Yes, the 8x8 pan is a brownie champion. Its square shape and depth are perfect for creating thick, fudgy brownies with chewy edges and a gooey center. The smaller surface area compared to a 9x13 ensures that your brownies will be dense and rich, not thin and cakey. But it's not just about the classic chocolate treat. Think blondies with their buttery, vanilla-infused goodness, or even layered dessert bars, with a crumbly base, a creamy filling, and a decadent topping. The 8x8 pan allows for precise layering, ensuring that each component cooks evenly and harmoniously. But the versatility of the 8x8 doesn't stop at brownies and bars. It's also fantastic for small batch cakes. Imagine a rich chocolate cake, perfectly portioned for a small celebration or a cozy night in, or a moist vanilla cake, layered with your favorite frosting, just enough to satisfy your sweet cravings without overwhelming you with leftovers. The 8x8 pan allows you to create these smaller cakes with ease, ensuring they bake evenly and retain their moisture. And let's not forget about savory dishes. The 8x8 pan is a brilliant tool for creating small casseroles. Think cheesy potato gratins, vegetable bakes, or even mini lasagnas. Its depth allows for layering, while its square shape ensures even cooking and perfect portioning. It's ideal for side dishes or small main courses, especially when you're cooking for one or two. Beyond cakes and casseroles, the 8x8 pan excels at baking quick breads. Cornbread, banana bread, or even a simple loaf of zucchini bread can be baked to perfection in an 8x8 pan. The square shape provides even baking, ensuring that your quick bread rises uniformly and cooks through without burning. Here's a breakdown of the advantages of using an 8x8 pan. Perfect portioning. Ideal for small families, couples, or individuals, minimizing leftovers and food waste. Even baking. The square shape ensures even heat distribution, resulting in consistent cooking and browning. Versatility. Suitable for a wide range of recipes, from brownies and cakes to casseroles and quick breads. Easy storage. Its compact size makes it easy to store in any kitchen cabinet. Deep sides. The depth of the pan allows for layering and creating substantial desserts or savory dishes. Enhanced texture. The smaller surface area and deeper sides contribute to richer, denser textures in baked goods. Quick cooking times. Because of its smaller size, most recipes will cook quicker than a 9x13. Now, let's talk about choosing the right 8x8 pan. Materials matter. Glass pans are excellent for even baking and easy cleanup, but they can take a bit longer to heat up. Metal pans, especially those with a light-colored finish, are ideal for browning and quick cooking. Non-stick coatings may clean up a breeze, but it's essential to use utensils that won't scratch the surface. When using an 8x8 pan, remember to adjust your cooking times accordingly. Recipes designed for larger pans may require slightly less time in an 8x8. Always check for doneness using a toothpick or skewer, inserting it into the center of your baked goods. If it comes out clean, your creation is ready. And here's a pro tip. For even easier cleanup, line your 8x8 pan with parchment paper. This will not only prevent sticking but also allow you to lift your baked goods out of the pan with ease. The 8x8 pan might seem like a simple kitchen tool, but it's a powerhouse of versatility. It's a testament to the fact that size matters in baking, and the right pan can make all the difference between a culinary triumph and a kitchen disaster. From fudgy brownies to savory casseroles, the 8x8 pan is a reliable companion for any home cook. It's a tool that allows you to create delicious, perfectly portioned meals and treats with ease. So, the next time you find yourself staring at a recipe, wondering how to achieve that perfect square, remember the humble 8x8 pan. It's a tool that can transform your baking and cooking one square inch at a time. It's a tool that brings precision, efficiency, and a touch of magic to your kitchen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.